The first step is thorough market research. Understand the market size, trends, and demand for different appliances. Analyze your competitors, their offerings, and pricing to find your niche. Create a solid business plan, outlining your goals, strategies, and key components like product range, supply chain, and marketing. Ensure you comply with all legal requirements, obtain necessary licenses, and set up accounting for taxes. Set up operations with a physical store or an online presence, allowing customers to make secure purchases. Hire qualified staff to manage sales, customer support, and technical services. Streamline your operations with ServiceWorks, offering inventory tracking, appointment scheduling, invoicing, and customer relationship management. Gain valuable insights with ServiceWorks reporting and analytics tools, helping you make informed business decisions. Launch your business with a bang, organize a grand opening, and promote through advertising. Maintain sustainability by collecting customer feedback, staying innovative, and exploring expansion opportunities. Start your appliance business journey with ServiceWorks today.